Welcome to another lesson in our Essential English Vocabulary series. Today we're focusing on words related to household chores. Learn how to talk about everyday tasks like laundry, vacuuming, and organizing, and boost your confidence in English while discussing your daily routine. Laundry. Explanation: washing and drying clothes. Example: I need to do the laundry this weekend because my basket is full. Vacuum. Explanation: to clean the floor using a vacuum cleaner. Example: I vacuum the living room once a week to keep it clean. Dishes. Plates, bowls, and utensils that need to be cleaned after eating. Example: after dinner, I always wash the dishes. Mop. Explanation: to clean the floor with a wet mop. Example: I mop the kitchen floor every evening after cooking. Dust. Explanation: to remove dust from surfaces like furniture or shelves. Example: I dust the bookshelves every few days. Organize. Explanation: to arrange things in a neat or structured way. Example: I need to organize my closet to make more space. Clean. Explanation: to remove dirt or mess from something. Example: I spend Saturdays cleaning the house. That wraps up today's lesson on household chores. Remember, learning vocabulary isn't just about memorizing words, it's about practicing them in real-life conversations. Try using these words to describe your daily routine or write about the chores you do at home. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more essential English vocabulary lessons.